Okay, so the first question said, Lynn plays a game that involves a standard number cube and a deck of 10 cards, numbered 1 through 10. Both the cube and the card have the same number. Then Lynn gets another turn. Otherwise, play continues to the next player. What is the number of possible outcomes? So for this one, on the number cube, there are 6 possible outcomes. In the cards, there are 10 possible outcomes. So there are 60 outcomes total. So 60 things could happen because I take the outcomes from the first situation or the first event, and then I take the outcomes of the second event and I multiply them. Alright, so this answer should have been 60. For the next one, it says, if both the number cube and the card have the same number, Lynn gets another turn. Well, for this one, I'm going to list off my sample set, or my sample space. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the cube. And then for the cards, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be my sample space. So if I get both the card and the cube, I get another turn. So I'm looking for an instance where both happen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 60 times both happen, where I get a card that's the same number as what I rolled on my die. I can reduce this to 1 over 10 because 6 divided by 6 is 1, 60 divided by 6 is 10. So 1/10 or 6 over 60 should have been your answer. If you have more questions, that's okay. I'd be more than happy to go over it with you. If you go to in your Canvas and you look at the home page for math, you're going to see a code for, or you can get to make appointments on what we call Calendly. So on any of your, any of the links will give that to you. So this is, so if I wanted to make an appointment on Calendly, I could go to any of my lessons that I have. So today's lesson, well, I'll just go to my email because it prints off at the end of your takeaway. It's not showing up. I'll send you the link in the email when I send this to you. But it's at the very end of your takeaway. I'm not sure why I can't find any of mine now, because they're in your email. Let me look. Oh, there we go. There's one. So if you open the doc, at the very end, you're going to see a link. So at the end of every lesson, there's a link for appointments. So right there, Calendly, you click on it, and then you can make an appointment with me for math tutoring. So you just choose the day, and then there are times that are available. And then I usually offer times on Wednesdays the week of. All right? It was great meeting you this week, and let me know if you need any more help. Bye.